One tiny scratch can ruin your Galaxy S26 Ultra experience in seconds. But what if you could protect both screen and camera like a pro? Welcome back to my channel. Today you'll discover top protectors worth buying. Links are in description for easy picks. Stay till end for real value. The number 4 product on our list is Ailun Screen Protector and Camera Lens Protector. A single scratch can quietly ruin the entire feel of a premium display, and most people only notice it when the light hits just right. That moment lingers. This protector steps in before that happens. A clear tempered layer shields both screen and camera lenses, preserving sharp visuals while absorbing everyday impacts that would otherwise leave marks. The experience stays natural. Touch response feels smooth, colors stay vibrant, and fingerprints become less of a constant distraction. Installation feels manageable with proper alignment, turning a stressful process into something controlled. The pros are strong scratch resistance, clear display quality, and added lens protection that many overlook. The cons are needing to re-register fingerprints and careful placement during setup. Compared to basic single-layer protectors, this offers more complete coverage for both screen and camera. Ideal for users who rely heavily on their phone daily, it keeps the display clean, responsive, and visually sharp without taking away that premium feel. The third one on our list is Wiaocit Screen Protector and Camera Lens Protector. A phone doesn't lose value overnight, it fades with tiny scratches, micro cracks, and fingerprints that slowly ruin the experience. That gradual damage feels worse than a single drop. This protector changes that pattern early. A strengthened tempered layer absorbs impact while keeping the display crystal clear and smooth under your fingers. The included alignment frame removes the usual frustration, turning installation into a quick and clean process. Daily use feels natural, touch remains responsive, visuals stay sharp, and smudges become far less noticeable. The pros are strong impact resistance, precise full-screen coverage, and easy bubble-free setup. The cons are careful handling during installation and slight thickness compared to ultra-thin films. Compared to Ailun, this feels more reinforced and easier to align, especially for beginners. Ideal for users who want reliable protection without sacrificing clarity, it keeps your display and camera looking fresh, all clean and ready for everyday use. On number 2 is amFilm Screen Protector and Camera Lens Protector. Most people ruin their screen protector during installation, not from drops, but from bubbles, dust, and misalignment that never feels right. That frustration stays every time you look at the display. This setup removes that struggle instantly. A guided auto-alignment system places the glass perfectly in seconds, turning a stressful task into something effortless. Daily use feels clean and smooth. Touch response stays sharp, visuals remain clear, and fingerprints fade into the background instead of constantly distracting you. The added lens protection keeps camera clarity intact, so photos stay crisp without worry. The pros are quick installation, strong scratch resistance, and excellent fingerprint control. The cons are slightly higher cost and careful handling needed during setup. Compared to Wiaocit, this feels faster and more user-friendly for first-time installers. Ideal for users who want a flawless look without the usual hassle, it keeps your screen sharp, responsive, and visually satisfying every single day. Now moving to the last one is YWXTW Screen Protector and Camera Lens Protector. Bright sunlight can turn even the most powerful display into a mirror, and that frustration builds every time you step outside. That is where this protector shifts the experience. A matte finish diffuses harsh light, making content easier to see while reducing eye strain during long use. Daily interaction feels smoother. The ultra-thin glass keeps fingerprint unlocking fast and natural, so you do not feel a delay with every touch. Sliding across the screen feels effortless, almost silk-like, especially during gaming or scrolling. The pros are strong anti-glare performance, smooth touch response, and solid impact resistance against everyday drops. The cons are slightly reduced sharpness compared to clear glass and a different visual texture that takes a moment to adjust. Compared to amFilm, this focuses more on comfort and outdoor usability rather than pure clarity. Ideal for heavy users, gamers, and anyone often using their phone in bright environments, it makes every interaction feel controlled and comfortable instead of distracting. Among all, the winner Wiaocit Screen Protector and Camera Lens Protector delivers balanced protection, smooth touch response, and reliable camera safety, perfect for daily use without compromising display clarity or usability. So guys, this was the video about the top 4 Galaxy S26 Ultra screen and camera lens protectors. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.